Welcome back to my Norway Adventure Series. In the last episode, we arrived in Oslo, exploring its landmarks, history, and modern life. In this final episode of my Norway adventure, we slow down, step beyond the city center, and experience Oslo in quieter, more personal moments. We leave the city behind and head into the Oslofjord, where nature and quiet moments take over. We enjoy the day of nature hikes and island hopping, starting here on Blekia. Here, nature isn't an escape. It's a part of everyday life.
Anything embracing nature is friluftsliv, is a cool thing to do. And so by getting out the city, coming on this tour is a cool thing to do. You, madam, you're very cool.
Wow.
Pretty cool, huh? The fact that we are only 20 minutes from the city centre of the capital city. It does not matter if you're rich or poor, whether you're the king of Norway or a biking, hiking tourist. You can go and visit the forests and the fjords and the mountains and the waterfalls and the woodlands. Nature is for everyone here, no matter how much money you have, no matter your social status. It's pretty cool.
Everybody's very patriotic.
On Lindia, simple cabins invite you to slow down, to disconnect from screens and reconnect with nature.
A lot of them will have boxes outside the front where you're expected to leave your phones and your laptops to get a digital detox as well. And when you are in your cabin, that is the only thing that matters, in theory. You forget the rest of the world exists. You don't check the news, you don't check businesses and emails, you forget it. They see this as a good thing. To get back to basics is the best thing to do here. Now the ones on this island, the cabins here, and the cabins on Nakholmen over there, these are so close to Oslo. These are the best cabins in all of Norway. So these are the poshest cabins, and these ones do have running water, and they do have electricity, but just for 6 months of the year, from April through to September. In about 2 weeks' time, they turn it off. They turn it off, and then there is no electricity until next April. There is no running water until next April. So nobody stays here over the winter. It's just for summer residencies.
Jeg vet ikke hvilken øy det var her, ja.
After a few hours in nature, we return to the city. Where Oslo's waterfront comes alive in its own way. The next day, we hop on a tram and head to Frogner Park. On the way to Frogner Park, we took a wrong turn and found ourselves walking through a quiet neighborhood. It's a school surrounded by open space and greenery. You have arrived. A few minutes later, we arrive at Frogner Park. A quiet green space shaped by art, paths, and open air. From the park, we ride the train toward some of Oslo's oldest streets. Not far away, another side of Oslo comes into view. Where color, creativity, and everyday life blend into the streets. As we leave Oslo behind, we carry with us quiet moments, open landscapes, and memories that linger. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Norway and throughout my travels across Europe. If you enjoy slow travel, stories, and discovering places one step at a time, feel free to subscribe. More journeys await from Japan and beyond. I hope you'll join me on the journey.